What's up? Hey babes, what is up? What is up? Anyways, guys, I don't know who needs to have this today, but girl, get up. Go and take you a shower. Put on something nice and just get dressed. And do what you have to do to make your day better. Do what you have to do to get through another day. Listen, your life is worth it. So girl, do what you gotta do. Anyways, guys, so me and babe, we just on the road. We are chilling today. I was supposed to go driving today, but I was feeling so bad. I couldn't do it. Like really down, but I got out of bed, put on something, and came out the house. He's like, you know what? If you don't want to go driving today, let's just get out. Come out the house. Just come out the house and get some fresh air and let's chill. So that's what we did today. Some days are just a struggle for me, but I try, you guys. I really try. Like, just try to keep a positive mind and just be consistent with it. But anyways, guys, I was just introducing the vlog, and I'll see you guys in my next clip, probably tomorrow or something like that. The next time you see me, I probably will be going on my lesson, my driving lesson. Hey you guys, what is up? Anyways, guys, so it's been like a few days later. Woo, girl, I haven't been on the vlog in a minute. That is my favorite line. But anyways, guys, so me and babe, we're gonna do some errands today. Yeah, let me tell you what I'm about to do. We're gonna go, don't quote me on this, okay? We're gonna go and get some breakfast, of course, okay? You can quote me on the breakfast part because I'm gonna eat, okay? I'm hungry. I'm gonna get some breakfast, then we're gonna head by the mall to go and pay a few bills. Then I guess babe wanna go to the barber. Yeah, he's definitely gonna go to the barber. And what else? Yeah, I think I'll be going driving today as well. Yeah, I want to go driving today, but don't quote me on that. And we have to go to the laundromat today as well because I have to go someplace tomorrow, so I need clean clothes. But anyways, guys, yeah, I'm just taking you guys along with me, and I'll see you guys in my next clip. Anyways, guys, so this is where we stopped at for breakfast. I mean, not breakfast, but we came here to get a hot patty. Yeah, so everybody stopped serving breakfast. It was too late, so we couldn't get breakfast. And we have food at home, so it don't make no sense us buying fast food. Just get a hot patty, the whole ass stomach, until we reach back home. I feel horrible. You like to argue with me? Anyways, breakfast. Okay, babe, so we're heading back out again. Let me tell you, after I ate Stop! After I ate that breakfast, a little hot patty, you guys, I was not feeling good. So we didn't do none of the errands that I said I was going to do because I was feeling bad. Anyways, we on our way to the store. Anyways, guys, so we're in Lois. No. I'm looking for some Skittles. Anyways, I come in here for some Skittles and something for gas. Girl, listen, I don't know how much footage I got yesterday night when I was in Lois, but I got my gas relief Listen, when I tell you gas is being busted my ass, I never felt nothing like this in my life. I had to get the extra shrimp, baby. Lowe's didn't have it, so I had to go to another pharmacy to get it. But it was worth it. It was worth it. So this morning when I asked you to give me one of those popsicle, only two in the fridge. But why are you eating it? I thought you know you don't like me for real. I don't want none of that. Anyways, babes, this vlog is all about like I just had a rough week, so bear with me. I don't know if I don't know how much footage I got, but I'm gonna end the vlog here or not. If not, I'll come back on. Oh, like I was saying, you guys, yesterday, don't quote me on what. Look, I was feeling so bad yesterday that I couldn't even continue doing errands. We had to come straight back home. Didn't get to go to the washers. Didn't get to go to the. I said we had to go to the grocery store. Didn't go to the barber. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day. Let me get some light going on in here real quick. Hold on. There we go. So of lately, I've discovered something about myself. I've discovered something about myself that is real major, and I think that can change my life. Really change my life. I mean, like, it was so obvious and so it was just there all the time, and I didn't even know, you know. And let me tell you something. Now that I've discovered the problem, we need a solution. We need a solution, okay? I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but there's always a way, okay? I don't want to speak on it as yet, but probably like in future vlogs, I will be able to speak on it because for a reason, like, this is gonna be hard. This is gonna be rough. God, like, I don't even want to do it, but I have to do it. When you've been living a certain way for so long, like, that's just normal for you. It's normal. Yeah. You guys, I'm just cleaning up. By the way, I don't know what to say. Yeah, I came off on the vlog as well because that was not enough footage. I only had like 6 minutes of footage. Let me just sit here for a little while. I just chat with you guys for a minute. I promise you, like, there is gonna be more exciting vlogs, but I'm feeling much better. My gal has been killing my ass for the last weeks, okay? But I'm just going to do like a speed up video type thing because, yeah, I have really nothing much to say here. I just want to end the vlog, so enjoy the speed up. I'm gonna clean up, so yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.